Do you have that small lawn that you are super proud of and want to keep it looking its best every season? Or if it's just not as lush as what you would like, do you want to give it a boost to get your neighbours green with envy? There are many reasons to why a lawn may look lackluster, and the first thing to do is investigate. Once you're finished playing Sherlock Holmes, it's important to get on to solving that problem as soon as possible and then revitalising with a fertiliser to thicken the lawn up, reducing any spaces for weeds to grow. Remember, your best defence against weeds are a nice, thick, dense, healthy green lawn. In this case here, we've got a compaction problem, which you can tell because it's hard to push the fork into the ground. Aerating your lawn should ideally be done twice a year, especially for high traffic zones or if you're growing in clay. And it is easy to do. Simply stomp the fork into the ground and then wiggle it on its way out. Doing this does a few things. It loosens up the soil, making it easier for the roots to spread, while also allowing more oxygen into the root zone, which promotes growth. Before you fertilise, it's important to get rid of those hungry weeds. I've got a small area of lawn, so I'm going to go eco and hand weed. Now our problems are identified and solved. It is time to get on to repairing the lawn, and springtime is perfect for this because we can prep the lawn to endure those hot summer suns that are coming our way. For this, I'm using the new organic certified dynamic lifter shaker. This is especially perfect for me as my area is small and I don't have the ability to store large bags of fertiliser in my shed. This built-in spreader means I can easily and evenly apply the fertiliser to my area to green up my lawn. Application could not be easier. Simply pop the lid open and shake the container side to side to evenly spread the granules across the lawn for even coverage. Once you've got that fertiliser on, give it a good watering to break those granules down and push all that good stuff into the root zone where it'll make the plants nice and strong while also improving the overall soil health. You'll soon notice patches shrinking and a deeper green lawn that you and your neighbours want to stare at for hours this summer.